There are many systems in the body. We're going to talk about the skeletal system. Now, the skeletal system is a framework of bones which supports and protects the soft tissues and organs of the body. It also produces blood cells, stores minerals, and provides a site for muscle attachment.
The bones of the skeleton are held together by ligaments and joint capsules. The skeleton consists of both the axial and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton consists of the bones of the head, neck, and trunk. The bones of the head include the skull, facial bones, and the bones of the middle ear.
Now, the bones of the neck include the vertebrae, ribs, and sternum. The bones of the trunk also include the vertebrae, ribs, and sternum. And the appendicular skeleton consists of the bones of the limbs and the girdles which attach the limbs to the axial skeleton.
The bones of the upper limb include the humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. The bones of the lower limb include the femur, tibia, fibula, patella, tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges.
What are these functions in the skeletal system? First of all, it provides support and protection for the body. It also produces blood cells, stores minerals, and provides a site for muscle attachment.
The skeleton provides support for the body by acting as a framework. The bones of the skeleton provide a rigid structure which supports the soft tissue and organs of the body.
The skeleton protects the body by enclosing and protecting the vital organs. The bones of the skull protect the brain. The bones of the rib cage protect the heart and lungs. And the bones of the pelvis protect the reproductive organs. The skeleton produces blood cells.
The bone marrow produces red cells, white cells, and platelets. The skeleton stores minerals. Minerals such as calcium, phosphorus are stored in the bones. These minerals are released into the bloodstream when needed by the body. The skeleton provides a site of muscle attachment. The bones of the skeleton provide attachment sites for the muscles. The muscles produce the force needed to move the body.
Now, of course, like in any system, there are diseases that may come. Of course, there's the osteoarthritis. This is a type of arthritis that occurs when the cartilage that cushions the end of your bones starts to break down. This can lead to pain, swelling, and stiffness in the joints.
Rheumatoid arthritis is a type of arthritis that happens when the body's immune system attacks the joints. This can cause pain, swelling, damage to the joints.
There's also Paget's disease. This is a chronic disorder that results in the overgrowth and distortion of the bone.
Osteomyelitis is a serious infection to the bone. It can occur in any bone in the body, but it most often affects the long bones in the arms and legs.
There's also rickets. This is a disease that affects the bones and teeth and is caused by a lack of vitamin D, calcium, or phosphate. It can lead to bowed legs, curvature of the spine, and thickening of the bones.
Scurvy is a disease caused by a lack of vitamin C. Symptoms include bleeding gums, joint pain, and fatigue. Left unthreatened, it can lead to death.
There's also scoliosis. This is the most known out of all of this, and this is a condition in which the spine curves to the side. The spine is supposed to be straight. If it curves to the side, it can cause back pain and problems with how the body functions.
Bone cancer. Bone cancer is cancer that starts in the cells of the bones. Bone cancer can occur in any bone in the body, but is most common on the long bones of the arms and legs. Bone cancer is rare, accounting for less than 1% of all cancers.
Now, how do you keep the skeletal system healthy? Well, there are many things you can do to have a healthy skeletal system. You can eat a healthy diet that includes plenty of calcium and vitamin D, and you can get regular exercise. You can also avoid smoking.
You can also talk to your doctor about ways to strengthen your bones and reduce your risk of fractures. A healthy lifestyle is the best way to keep your bones healthy and reduce your risk of developing bone diseases.
Thank you for your attention. We hope this documental was informative to all of you.